roaming. Who knows exactly the prices of our roaming tariffs? Who knows exactly the prices of our roaming tariffs? Can I see hands? Oh, come on. Yes. Huh?
0.4.
For what?
Per minute.
Per megabyte.
4 euros per megabyte.
4 euros per megabyte. Any other quotes?
60 cents for 10 kilobytes.
60 cents for 10 kilobytes. Any other quotes? So do we actually know what the price is? Or is there a perception out there? It's 4 euros per meg. Sorry?
62 cents.
I know for sure that the price is for 10 kilobytes, which I think it's outrageous.
Is it a prepaid price? Or is that the session price? Or is it a subscription? We actually don't know, do we? No, you don't know. Okay. Let me make a commitment to you. Because we have various price levels for various commitments. Yeah? We have prepaid prices, and we have prices for low and medium and high commitments. So let me share the following with you. Our prices recently have dropped dramatically. So we probably have a challenge in communicating that better to all of you and be more transparent. So what I'll commit myself to, there's my PR team also. Hello, guys, girls. We're going to post this on Vodafone Bus probably this afternoon or tomorrow. You will pick it up from there and you will be astonished how actually low those prices are. But what I take from this, there's a perception issue. Yeah? It is indeed very attractive with our recent price changes. Let me come back to you, and you will see it on Vodafone Bus this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Any other questions? Now that we're on a roll.
Okay. One second.
Oh yes, I've got to screw up the time schedule. Please go.
Hi, my name is Mugur.
Hi there.
Why do you have your Vodafone Facebook account blocked so that fans cannot post on your pages? You are afraid of customers that will complain about something. I think that's all about social media. It's let them get involved and tell you something.
Oh. That's a good question. So, I've told you about the steps we've taken in the last 5-6 months going forward in opening the company in social media. Undoubtedly, that's been a journey for us as well. Yeah, so opening up the company in social media not only provokes interactivity, but you also need to be ready for that to actually start interacting. And we decided actually first to open up the channels, and now exactly we are on the phase of getting interactivity. The interactivity we're doing at this moment, we had various pilots and tests, very successfully by the way on Twitter, where we opened up on Thursday afternoons news items and got interactivity. We are on forums right now, mediating and helping our customers there. This will probably be the next step, but you also need to be very ready to answer all those questions, which is a bit of how do you deal with your internal organization around that. So you will see us opening up, don't worry, but I really want to make sure that once you open up, you actually can respond at the timings that are there and be relevant for your customers.
is related to the new mobile platforms. So there's iPhone and now Android. Where does Vodafone Romania stand for social software? So app stores for these mobile phones.
I will cover that in my presentation. Thanks. Hi Lydia.
Hi, I'm Lydia from Vodafone. Just to answer the previous question. So our account, Vodafone Buzz, on Facebook and on Twitter, they are both open. Anybody can post any comments, and we actually respond to these comments, including on blogs. For instance, if we have a negative feedback from our customers, we go publicly there from our address, which is web_relations_vodafone.ro, and we do talk to people and try to solve their problems. So I would say that we have already taken the step forward.
I think thank you, Lydia. The question was related to Facebook, I think.
Yeah, right. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So that was 7 things you wanted to know about me today. So keep being interactive. I like that. Let's go to and show you what we're actually trying to do to help stimulating internet here. So first of all, we have a variety of products and services. Going from the left to the right. So we have internet on your mobile. I think on all those categories, on all those products and services, we by far lead what I call the category in Romania. And not only a little bit, but there's a clear category leadership that we have. So it comes firstly of offering multiple products and services for multiple usage. Yeah. So you have your internet on your mobile, where you browse, where you connect. Yes, we do see very clearly what Madeleine showed, that social media, what was it, 23% of your presentation? That is really booming traffic on our network. It's been stimulated by offering our customers a very broad range in portfolio. So if you go into our stores, you noticeably see that internet-enabled handsets take more shelf space all over again. So over 20 different models we serve to our customers, and it's still growing. The second big step we've done this year is that we've launched Opera Mini as a browser. Fantastic results in terms of usability, in terms of customer experience, all there to help our customers to enjoy the service at a better level. And of course applications, I will touch upon that a bit later. The second part is the laptop part. The ones you use to stay remote with your laptop, provide you connectivity. Very important milestone recently is that we've introduced a prepaid version for that. Take-up rates, astonishing at this moment. Unfortunately, I cannot disclose the number, but thank you very much. You've been very helpful, I'm sure also here, in acknowledging that this was a product that really fits your needs. It's an occasional user's product. It's not only aimed at consumers or the typically prepaid Catalan voice users. Yeah? It's aimed at occasional users for internet. Are you on holiday or in the mountains or you're anywhere? Yeah? Take advantage. I think the rates are pretty cool at this moment. And on top of that, especially for enterprise segments, we started providing additional service, security services on top of your internet connections, which are really relevant questions for those of you who are in enterprise. Mobile advertising, still growing. Last year, a very successful year in terms of take-up. A lot of brands now starting to acknowledge that interacting with your customer needs also a mobile application. Not only a fixed application, not only in the internet, via social media, but also be there where your customer is, in the hands, in the palm of your hands. 5 million customers. We have 10 segmentation criteria that we run on our base base is 9.5 million customers. So we can be really targeted there at the relevant customer segments. And of course, last but not least, our own online activities. We relaunched our portal some weeks ago. Our traffic has increased 50%, 50, year over year, if I compare August last year to this year. We're almost hitting 1 million unique customers a month, and that shows something also how really active Romania and Romanians are in getting attached to brands, but also getting attached to online. One of our key items, apart from social media, which I will not detail out because I've been doing that on the Facebook conference also, is that we really believe in self-service. Self-service driven by our online portal, self-service driven by helping customers in social media. And I think that ultimately is also what customers are looking for. So a wide range of products and services. Now, that's all fine, those products and services, but it needs to work. Yeah. There's a big difference between using a network, a mobile network, for voice and SMS versus data. And I'm very much aware that I'm preaching to already convicted people and acknowledgement for that. But with the amount of traffic increasing, with the amount of traffic that you all produce at this moment and keeps producing, that is running so fast that continuous investments in upgrading the quality of your network, not only in coverage, and you do know that we now have the largest mobile broadband coverage in Romania, 90% of population, but also against the highest speeds. And that will become, going forward, a rat race. Yeah? If you tune into some Western European countries, and you see the take-up rates and the volumes of data that are going to mobile networks, gigantic at this moment. It's not only our own belief. I will come back to that later, what customers are thinking about that. Although we produce a lot of data, relatively speaking, Romania is still low on internet penetration, both in fixed, but both in mobile. So for us, that's a growth category. That's why we're investing also and put a lot of focus on that one. That's not enough. Providing products and services and providing a high quality network is not enough. You need to educate your customers. And there's the stores. Our stores come into place. So what we've done in stores is that in most of the stores now you find data experts. People are really tuned into all those products and services and hold a good expertise on that. We're supporting customers online. So we're making an over-commitment in helping, educating, teaching and learning customers how to use that internet on those various products and services. And last but not least, products, services, education, but you need to inspire. Yeah? And that's what we've been doing since last year, when you saw us connecting to Facebook, and you will see us doing forward. So I believe our brand ultimately is there to inspire, to educate, and to showcase people how to use and optimize their worlds and their lives and their social lives, and helping them to provide a better connectivity. Ultimately, that's what we call power to you. Because we hand over the tools and the network and all those products and services in the end to our customers to make maximum benefit out of that. So that in essence is our internet strategy. It's a holistic strategy because all components need to fit together. Penetration is around, if you talk about revenue, if you talk about mobilization, is still half of the size that is in Western Europe. And that's the good news. We have a long way to go. But we need to make sure we educate our customers and we help them and inspire them.